2003 Ford Mustang Mach 1, 4,700 miles, has a couple tasteful mods. Let's see what it does on the open road. These have got to be some of my favorite cars to get here. They're just an absolute blast to drive, these Mach 1s. This one is a 2003 Ford Mustang Mach 1 with 4,801 miles. It's a clean Carfax, clean Autocheck, no accidents or damage ever reported. It has a couple tasteful mods done. It has aftermarket catback exhaust, so it's got Flowmasters. And then it has the aftermarket oversized SVE wheels, or the 17-inch SVE wheels. So it gives it that tough, aggressive look. But like all the Mach 1s, it has its original 4.6, making 305 horse and 320 foot-pounds of torque. This one is optioned with the 5-speed manual transmission. If you're not familiar with the Mach 1s in 03 or 04, you could actually get them in an automatic as well. But this one is the desirable 5-speed. AC blows nice and cold. Power steering, power disc brakes, like all of these are equipped with. And again, has Flowmaster catback, so it sounds great going down the road. As far as the interior goes, stock code AW Mach 1 interior. Seat covers are excellent, no bolster wear. Dash is in excellent shape. Mach 1 gauges in front of me here. 6-disc CD changer. This one is the interior upgrade package, so you got the headrest, the pedal pads, the polished pedal pads, and that's really about all you got with the interior upgrade package, and that's about it. But interior is crispy clean. Again, it's a 4,800 mile car. It's 4,802 miles. Clean Carfax, clean Autocheck. Actually got this from a guy that I've ended up with a couple cars from over the years. Real meticulous guy, and again, it's about as new as a Mach 1 is you're gonna find. Doesn't work section like you'd expect. Everything works. Lights, gauges, horn, wipers, radio, heat, AC, parking brake, cruise control, stereo itself. Everything is ready to roll on this one. The doesn't work section, the clean Carfax, the Autocheck, motor numbers, VIN numbers, all that stuff can be found in the additional media section on the website pcclassiccars.com. Click on the inventory, click on this Mach 1, scroll to the bottom of the page, and you're gonna see all that extra good stuff there. A couple other things on the inside here. You do have tilt, you do have cruise, which again work like they should. You have your rear defrost button, your traction control button, and then your fog light switch there. All of those are functioning as well. And man, it's hotter than hell here in Texas today. And I got the AC on, middle setting, and it's blowing nice and cold. All right, car's warmed up like we need it to. Got a couple cars coming each direction, and then we'll go ahead and get in the throttle a little bit. While we're waiting, the center console here has got the original owner's manuals in it. We also have the original window sticker, all kinds of receipts and miscellaneous original paperwork that came with this car, which is super cool. Again, you'll see photos of that stuff in the additional media tab, so make sure you guys check that out. But we are about ready to go here. Crazy into the throttle because we do have a little bit of traffic, but if y'all have never had the opportunity to drive one of these cars, they're actually a lot of fun. They're obviously not as fast as a Terminator. They don't have a 6-speed like a Terminator, but it's just a different driving experience. The motor has plenty of power for this car, for the stock application. If you want to do a few things to them, you absolutely can. But again, 305 horse, 320 foot-pounds of torque is plenty enough to bang through the gears, get sideways if you want to, turn the traction control off, and have a good time. As far as the underneath, it's crispy clean. Floors are excellent. It is like new on the undercarriage, front to back. You got your little tags, little wax markings. Everything looks very OE and basically showroom new on the undercarriage. And then exterior, I believe torch red is D3. Paint quality is excellent. The only flaws are a couple tiny touch-ups on the front of the hood and the front bumper, like almost all of these cars get. For whatever reason, it just seems like the way that the hood is designed, they just pick up little stone chips, even on a 4,000 mile car. But overall, the quality is excellent. You have your iconic Mach 1 shaker hood, the blackout treatment on the hood, front and rear spoilers, the decals down the side. And then this one does have, again, the oversized aftermarket 17-inch front and rear SVE wheels. The rear wheels, I believe, are a 10.5-inch wide rear wheel. I'm not sure exactly what the front is. I know these are 17x8 from the factory. I think they're a 17x9 that's on the front now. So a little bit of a staggered stance front to rear. gives it that tough, aggressive look. What I would personally do is with the oversized wheels, and even when these cars are stock, they sit a little bit high, so I would personally go with a lowering spring. It would just bring that down just a little bit to just take it to the next level cosmetically, but it doesn't have to be done if you like the way that these sit from the factory. The clutch feels excellent. Gear shifter is easy to find all the gears, and it does feel like the stock style shifter. Your suspension and your steering components, everything looks OE and performs like a brand new car. This is a 4,800 mile example, so there is nothing wrong with the mechanicals. It drives exactly like it did when you picked it up from the dealership back in 2002 or 2003, whenever this car was bought. Steering is very tight and responsive. These cars have a great road feel. It's one of the reasons why I like them so much. The way that you sit in the seat, the driving position with the shifter, the way that you look out over the hood, you see that shaker hood, it just makes for a really cool, fun experience while you're driving this car. You do have a 6-way, I believe it's 6-way, whatever the factory application is for the driver's seat. All the power options work for the seat, and then you have the manually adjusting seat back, manually adjusting passenger seat, stock back seats, obviously with your stock seat belts. Steering wheel's in excellent shape. Glass all looks good with just a couple small little imperfections in the windshield. Side windows roll up and down like they should. Back glass is clear and easy to see out of with your rear view mirror. Has your rear defrost as well. So glass again, excellent shape. Same thing with your trim, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, all functioning like it should. Got your flasher switch up there on the dash as well. Heavier in the throttle there, have some fun. When you pop the deck lid in the back, just like the rest of the car, pretty OE and very, very clean. No problems of any kind in the back there. Turn signal switch is nice and tight. Bulb is illuminated on the dash like we need them to. Like I mentioned earlier, these cars are not the fastest Mustangs in the world, but they're a blast to drive. And if you do want to get some power out of these little 4.6s, they really respond well to a Pro Charger, doing some simple things, even just a little handheld tuner. Full aftermarket exhaust with long tubes, cold air intake, just simple stuff like that. These cars do really respond well to just basic bolt-on mods, if you care to, but this is a collector grade example that's had Flowmasters and wheels put on it. We do not have the original exhaust or the original wheels for this car, so that has been changed. But to be honest, I think it's an upgrade for what this car has on it at this point. Makes all the right noises with the Flowmasters, drives excellent. Disclaimer list, couple touch-ups in the front of the hood. List stops there. Makes my life really easy. Excellent car, front to back, inside and out. Great paperwork, great backstory, extremely clean inside and out, y'all. One of the nicest Mach 1s that we've had of both years. We've had some really low mile ones. This is 4,800 miles is again extremely low. We've had a few lower ones than this, and this is one of the nicest cars that we've had. As always, my name is Michael. This is a 2003 Ford Mustang Mach 1 with 4,807 miles. From myself and everybody here at PC Classic Cars, we appreciate y'all stopping in to watch another one of our test drives. Make sure you check out that additional media section on the website, pcclassiccars.com. Check out the content we are posting across the social platforms every single day, and we will catch you guys on the next video.